We guide you through how to get Revolt card quickly. So first, download the Revolt app from your app store and open it, then tap sign up and enter your personal details like your name, phone number, and email. Next, complete the identity verification by uploading a valid ID such as your passport or national ID and take a quick selfie when prompted. Once your account is verified, log in and go to the cards section inside the app. Tap Add Card or Order Card and choose the type of card you want, either physical or virtual. Select your preferred design, confirm your delivery address, and choose your shipping method. After that, review the small delivery fees if applicable and confirm your order. You can also instantly create virtual card for online payments while waiting for your physical card to arrive. And finally, track your card delivery directly in the app and activate it once it arrives by following the on-screen instructions.